Hi guys, welcome back to Simply Wistful Living. This is Romy and today I'm sharing my recipe for Fiji style chicken soup with you. This soup is absolutely delicious and very handy when it starts to get cooler outside. It is also very handy when you are down with a cold or aren't feeling well. I love this soup during the cooler months and I hope you give it a try. I typically serve it with some cassava or taro and some peppers and lemon on the side. Now I'd like to add that for this video I was sent this beautiful knife. I will have all the details for this knife in the description below. I'm not paid to do this video, but this was a gift from this company and it's a beautiful knife, chops really well, it's very sharp. I've been using it for the past 2 months already and I absolutely love it. So here I am chopping up all the vegetables, and when you have a nice knife in the kitchen, it makes the job so much easier. Once you've chopped up all your veggies, and the full recipe will be in the description down below, we're gonna go ahead and heat up a large pot with some oil, and then I'm gonna go in with the onions, the celery, and some of the peppers. I'm gonna saute that for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna go in with the garlic, ginger, and pepper that I've crushed. I'm also going to add in a little bit of the cilantro, mostly the parts with the stem, and I'm going to saute that for a few minutes. After a few minutes, I'm adding in the potatoes and the chicken. So for my soup, I like to use bone-in chicken. I just take a whole chicken and I remove the skin, which is not required, and then I just chop it up. And then I'm going to add in all the spices, which is just pepper, some black pepper, and some ground cumin. We're gonna saute the potatoes, the chicken, and everything really well. You're gonna salt this to taste, and you want it to start browning at the bottom. Once that starts happening, we're gonna go in with the carrots because they take a little bit longer to cook, so we're gonna add this in. Then we're gonna go in with some water, or here I'm using chicken broth, which adds a ton of flavor and it obviously adds to the nutritional value. You just want to be careful that you adjust the salt for this. So after I have added the chicken stock, I'll go ahead and add water to bring up everything so the entire dish is covered. You can just use water because this is going to boil down a little bit. You let this boil for about 20 minutes or until the potatoes are fully cooked, because by that time the chicken will be cooked as well. And once that's nicely cooked, we're gonna just go in with the rest of our veggies. Now I have listed the amounts that I'm using, but feel free to add any vegetables that you like, any greens that you like, any greens that are available that are seasonal to you. And then we're gonna just bring the whole thing to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we're gonna go ahead and add our coconut milk, which is optional at this point. If you don't want to add the coconut milk, it's still delicious, still very, very good. Lastly, we're gonna finish off with the chopped cilantro and just bring it to a boil, cover it up, and that's it. The soup is done. This is usually done within 40 minutes tops, and it is absolutely delicious. It's great the next day as well. And like I said before, I like to serve mine with some root vegetables, so some casera o dalo and some lemon or lime on the side. If you give this recipe a try, let me know down below what you think of it. And if you're in the market for a new knife, check out the link down below. I absolutely love it and I highly recommend it. Great company, very nice to work with, and it works really well. So until next time, you guys take care, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye bye.